able to film it before it goes into the shop so we can get a, you know, a before and after in the video, obviously. As far as I know, I mean, I may be wrong. This is my first true NC State fan on the channel. From Raleigh, North Carolina. Super excited. I did get a call from a UNC fan the other day, and it completely ruined my day up here at work. But hey, you know, I got to show love to the North Carolina schools regardless. Women's basketball is doing crazy. We need to get it together in men's basketball, but you know, football team's doing pretty good too. Go Wolfpack, all right? I want to be able to show the before and after 2021 Silverado High Country with the 6.2. The beautiful, beautiful bronze accents. I love this Cajun red. Oh man, I'm excited for this one. We're getting an 8-inch McGaughy's 24x12 KG1s, some Nitto Recons. Wanted to be able to do the before and after so you guys can see this. It will be in the next video as well, so you guys come back and can I zoom in on that? Is that copyrighted? Am I allowed to put that in the video, or are you gonna ask for a royalty? I didn't think so. Pulling it in the shop. 24 hours. Clock starts now. It's about 5 o'clock. Let's make it happen.
Get out of the way so you can drive by.
Go Wolfpack. Come run me over. Run me over. It'd be good for the video. Let's go. Gotta get my guy out of the way. Let's move. Look at this thing though. Look at this thing though. There's no way that this is done right now. No way that this is done.
Here at like 5 o'clock.
No.
Hour 45 is the record though. No, but it's less than an hour.
I was just telling him this story. No. Look. Pull your phone out. What time is it? What time is it on your phone? You don't care about being on camera, do you?
No, I don't care about being
Look, it's always me that says what time these are done, right?
Let me see exactly what time it is. What time did you get
6:28.
Well, I got here at 4:30, but then I didn't pull back to probably about 5:15 to 5:20.
You hear that?
That's when I pulled back.
You hear that? That ain't just me saying it. He said it, not me.
It's crazy. This shit crazy. What are you doing? You coming back to organize your?
Yeah, I told you I was gonna be here late.
This shit crazy. He does have like 3 bolts. This shit crazy.
Hey, he said it, not me. Y'all see that we put new tires on the tractor today? New shop tractor. Y'all should have saw them boys trying to put them tires in the back. That thing was hell. I respect them for doing that. There's like 6 or 7 McGaughy's kits that we're doing this week. So I'm not really sure how the hell, look at this though. Cool. I don't know how I'm supposed to, you know, split all these videos up. I might end up doing 2 lift kits per video. I didn't even know that Brandon got the wheels on this yesterday, which is cool. Look at that. Saw that one yesterday, pulled into the shop. Cool. And then we're starting on this one this morning. This one's getting a 9-inch and some 26s as well. So, like I said, jam-packed week. Absolutely jam-packed week. Let's finish up the Jeep lift. It's crazy right now. We did the truck from Raleigh this morning. Got Casey's F450 on the Forgiatos out here. Got to show love to the Forgiatos. I don't know why they got it parked so far back. I wanted to be able to film this. I'm literally leaving to get on a plane right now. But in case I didn't make it back, I want to give a huge shout out to my customer from West Palm Beach, you know, for coming through and getting the McGaughy's kit on his new GMC. I almost said Silverado. Got the 26x14 KG1 Victors. Don't have the center caps on it yet. But that blue, I don't think we've done this blue color with the black fender flares, color match front. I was a little iffy about going chrome wheels on this one, but to be honest, KG1 Victor is a beautiful wheel, complemented by the Gladiators is always a great combination. That 9-inch McGaughy's kit, everything, all considering, I think this truck turned out great. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys have a safe drive back. I'm hoping to get to film this truck more, but if I don't, I love you guys. I appreciate you guys coming through, and I wanted to film it before I had to go hop on my plane. Let's get this bread. We're like matching today.
You are matching.
With the black fit check.
Oh, this is my
look at me rocking the Vans today.
Fly to Philadelphia outfit.
Fly to Philly tomorrow. I figured the next video outfit.
Yeah, I figured I might as well dress up.
dress up a little bit? A little steezy?
I wore the pants that don't have the holes in the knees, so in case anybody out there thinks that I wore them last night.
Me too. Steezy.
I have about 7 pieces of clothing total, and I kind of mix and match them.
Me too, yeah. This is a new Poppy's shirt, though. Shout out Poppy's Garage.
Shout out to whoever wants to send us clothes, because we really don't have clothes.
Yeah, we'll wear whatever you want to send us.
I got on 2 different socks right now.
You know, some cheekless
Actually,
pants.
I do have on matching socks.
I got on matching Nike socks just in case one of y'all want to get crossed up today. All the way from Raleigh, North Carolina. The truck matches my face. That's bad. Jeez. I'm making fun of myself now. I'm making fun of myself now. That's bad. Oh, whoa, whoa. Don't be filming me out here. Don't be filming. I'm just messing with you. I didn't know you were coming back up here.
We just ride. We got nothing else to do.
I think this truck's going to look better than yours.
You think so?
I'm just messing with you.
You got the 60. You got the 60.
I got 26 by 40. Okay. Yeah. 9 inch. That's 9 inch.
That's 8 inch.
I might end up putting them in the same video because I got so much crap to film right now.
Gotcha. Hey.
I'm not gonna hurt anybody's feelings if I pick one or the other for the thumbnail, right?
Love is love. I don't give a damn about that. I mean,
that's the. So look, on a real.
You can't do nothing with it, so it is what it is.
On a real note, that's something that I got to think about because you know I want to post your video by itself. I want to post that video by itself, but I got so much to film this week. It'll be a week and a half before I split it up and actually do them separate. And then I gotta it becomes a headache. So if I do it all together in one video, the content becomes better for that one video. Everybody gets more views, you know what I mean? So it's kind of
the most love anyway. Ain't no harm, no fun.
However you want to do it. I'm cool.
Yeah, I'm cool.
But look, I almost because the whole time in my mind I kept thinking we were doing rough country on this one, but at the end, so look that. Gotta have the McGoys. My spot focus is on. Jeez, it just can't get my shots how I need to. Beautiful McGoys kit. McGoys best in the nation. Something I've always liked about the McGoys kit is they do have the little emblem right here on the. Where's my focus at? There we go. On the little spindle there. The color matched billet accents on the front compression struts as well. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Even though I can't focus, it's annoying. I love this Cajun red. Cajun red's one of my favorite colors that GM's ever come out with. So you guys saw in the last video we did the new body style GMC. I'm really excited to be able to do a new body style Silverado at some point. But hey, I'm an NC State fan all the way from Raleigh. 24x12 KG1 benders. This is one of the first sets of KG1s that we've done with the new shallow style center cap, or kind of short style center cap. We decided against the spike lug nuts this time just to see what it would look like, and I actually really like the shorter style lug nuts with this shallow cap. I think it just gives it a real kind of deep presence, and it adds more width to the wheel, more depth to the lip of the wheel, just the overall look. With 24x12 KG1 bender, 35 1250 24 Nitto Recon grapplers, an absolutely beautiful, great riding tire. Love the look of it. It's got the look of the Ridge grappler, all of the qualities of the Terra grappler. In and out. This truck dropped off at 5:30 yesterday, and it's done. It's about 10:30, ready to ride out. Look, where we at? 11:28. Poppy's Garage. Shout out Poppy's Garage texting me. Manny from Poppy's. 11:28. Trimmed, aligned, test driven, ready to ride back to Raleigh. So we appreciate you coming through the shop. Part of the family forever. Love that red. Go Wolfpack. It looks so much better like this than it did when it came in. I actually really like it. Definitely worth the drive and the flight, 100%. What are you doing over here? What's this guy doing? Cheese ball. Who is that guy? Who is that guy? We flew all the way to Philadelphia last night for that.
Speaking of that, you're recording. If you didn't hear the noise go off, I know you're sleep deprived.
Me and Jacob, so we just came back from Philadelphia. You guys, that video hasn't dropped by the time this one dropped. So make sure you guys, you know, stay tuned. We're gonna drop the, me and Jake flew to Philadelphia to pick up a truck. If you guys want to see the reveal of that truck and us, you know, go through that whole process. It's our first time flying somewhere together, and it was an amazing time. We haven't slept in like 36 hours or something stupid. You guys saw the red truck at the beginning of this video. You guys saw the kind of bluish green one. Shout out to my Raleigh family. Shout out to my West Palm family. I think y'all farthest south. Homestead. Can I just say Key Largo? Is that close enough? People know Key Largo more than the Keys more than they'll know Homestead. Close enough.
Hey, NASCAR people know Homestead.
Furthest south that anybody's ever come, and I love you guys to death for it. I wanted to take this opportunity to get a little. Everybody's always asking me, this is my favorite, that's my favorite. You know, the energy's off today, right? So I wanted to take this moment. The red truck was actually ended up being a 7-inch McGaughy's 24x12s and 35s. This one also 7-inch McGaughy's 24s, 35s, and then the bluish greenish one 9-inch 26s and 37s. I get a lot of questions back and forth. Should I do the 37s and the 26s on the 9-inch? Should I do the 6-inch or 7-inch and 24s and 35s? In my opinion, if you're back and forth, the best setup, title of the video, best setup for your 2022 Chevy Silverado, in my opinion, I'd start with that 7, 24s, and 35s, mainly because it gives you the opportunity at some point to go to 9 inches if you would like, go to 26s, go to 37s, and you don't have to choose right away. You can sell your old wheels, get some 27 or get some 37s and some 26s. In my opinion, it's right there in the middle. It's the perfect setup. It's my favorite setup. You know what I mean? Your energy is so off, just like mine right now. I'm like trying to play back and forth. And
I'm wiping tears out of my eyes from the wind.
So, 2022 Chevy Silverado. We're doing a lot of 22s right now. I'm pretty excited. We're getting into the season of 22s. 22s are starting to come out. People are starting to bring them out. 7-inch McGaughy's, black and milled accents, obviously is the go-to. We did end up doing upper control arms. We did traction bars. Something really cool about this truck that we haven't done a lot of. This one got the chrome ball joint caps as well that we've started to keep here. So if you guys are looking for the McGaughy's chrome caps, hit me up. We can get them. We did the upper control arms. We got the beautiful McGaughy's cross member at the front, on the front. But mine's not working right now. Shout out Poppy's Garage for the beautiful shirt. McGaughy's kit, right? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I don't think we've done this set of American Forces yet. Shout out American Force. Always. All right, coming in as a banger.
Before you do it.
What?
I know which American Force wheel this is. Do you?
Hell no. I just come film. I don't even work here. I don't even work here.
MORPH.
American Force Morph 24x12. This is my favorite American Force wheel.
I can't see you.
Over the polished, over the everything. This is my favorite American Force wheel, 100%. Polished or black. This wheel is my favorite. What?
You just drop it low so slow for it. Is the age getting to you or
my knees are hurting right now. We did Chris Burnett's truck probably about 2 or 3 months ago, and I got such a great response with the 35 1350 24s. So I recommended we go 35 1350 24 Furies on this one, and it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. What?
There were 1450s on his.
Were they? No, they weren't.
I couldn't get the 1350s.
Really?
I had to run 1450s on 12.
Close enough.
It worked. It looks
great. Let's look at the traction bars. Come on. We don't get a chance to do the traction bars on the 7-inch as much. Traction bars, powder coated locally at Georgia Powder Coat of Gainesville. Huge shout out to Chewy for always coming through clutch and taking care of us. It's a beautiful truck. I'm going home. It's about that time. Let's go to sleep.
See you later.
All right. Next time. Let's get this bread.